Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful, rainy day in Los Angeles. It's morning time, and so let's get you guys set up right here. It's a really fancy setup I have. What I do is I just set my camera right behind a Kleenex or in front of a Kleenex box, and then I just go, and it's not even a camera, it's my phone. So anyways, good morning, welcome back to another episode of Blitz Quick Tutorials. Today I'm gonna talk about something a little bit different. Instead of talking about a move, we're gonna talk about how you guys can choose the right glove set for you. Okay. So this is a great video for, sorry, there's a hair in my mouth. Anyways, this is a great video for people who are just looking to buy a glove set, or maybe if you already have a glove set and you're looking to upgrade. So I just want to clarify that I am affiliated and sponsored by Amazing Lights, but what I want to say is that there's a product out there for everyone, and that might not be an Amazing Lights glove set. It may be an Amazing Lights glove set. Anyways, I like Amazing Lights brand and their lights, so that's my personal preference, but it really depends on what you guys want. And what I'm not going to be doing here is a product review. I'm simply just going to be talking about different types of glove sets, and more so if you're looking to purchase a, what the different, spectrums can kind of get you. So if you just started gloving, the biggest question that I always get is, do I just buy a cheap glove set, or do I buy one that's more expensive? The reason it may be a better idea to get the more expensive glove set is because if you see that you're going to be invested in this for a long time, the more expensive glove sets typically will come with all the bells and whistles. So if you're thinking that you already love it and you just want to start with the cheaper glove set, that's great, but at some point you might want to upgrade. So why not just make that investment right away, and believe it or not, the glove set is not going to change your gloving one way or another, so you might as well just treat yourself to the more expensive glove set. Now, obviously, if you're having, financial holdbacks and that just doesn't seem like, the smartest idea in that moment, or maybe you want to wait a little bit and save up, then yes, there are plenty of cheap glove sets that you can go with. I'll use Amazing Lights as an example just because I know their products best. The Evolution chips right now are their, most expensive product that's on the line. That doesn't mean that some of the cheaper glove sets are not good glove sets. I actually like using some of their cheaper glove sets as well, just depending on either what I'm filming, what I'm doing, or, where I'm going. The Flow chips are very good. I think they're like $30 or $40, but those are great glove sets that I use all the time. I film with them all the time. A lot of the stuff that you guys see me film is really, it's not always with the most expensive, nicest glove set that's available, Also, another thing to consider is, where are you going to be taking these gloves? Is it just going to be for filming purposes, for gloving, with your friends or peers or whoever it is? Because if you're going to be going to festivals, especially if you live in California like I do, gloves are not allowed in, well, I guess depends, but specifically in LA, it's very hard to glove anywhere at a festival or a show because gloves are just not allowed. That's a whole separate video, so I'm not really going to get into that. So you might not want to bring, your $100 glove set to a show with the, potential event that security may take it. It's happened to me a couple of times, and I will say that is not a good feeling, even if you do have a second set that's replaceable. So having a cheaper glove set, what we call them as burner glove sets, because if someone takes it, you're not, that wasn't a piece of you that just left with the security guard, right? It's good to have that as well because it's easily replaceable. But if you're not going to be going to a lot of shows, or you go to a lot of festivals where they allow gloving and stuff like that, then again, it might be a better idea to go for the more, the more expensive glove set. I have multiple glove sets. I like to keep them in different places. So instead of me just carrying around one set of gloves everywhere, I have a set of gloves in my car, I have a set of gloves in my bag, and then I have another one that's just here in my room, so if I am, wherever I'm going, if I'm like, oh, you know what, I really want to film something right here, and then I'm like, oh, I I wish I brought my gloves. I didn't bring my gloves. You know, I'm like, oh wait, I have a pair of gloves in my car. I could just like pull my phone out and film something right here. I don't do that as often as I used to, in all honesty, but I do actually have a set of gloves in my car. So hopefully that helps you guys kind of make the decision. I know it wasn't a very detail heavy video, but you know, the important thing is just really figure out what your investment is. You know, if you're not really sure about gloving and you're like, I think I like it, and maybe I'll just get a set and try it out, maybe go for the cheaper glove set, because there's a chance that you might not like it or want to continue with it, in which case you might not want to purchase the more expensive glove set, because you know, you might not get that money back. You might not be able to find someone to sell it to, and even if you do, you're not going to be able to sell it for the same price that you bought it for, especially if you already pulled it out of the box and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a very quick one, but figured I would at least upload something. And yeah, if you guys have any other video ideas and you want to leave a comment and let me know, that would be really exciting. And if not, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye. Hey guys, another thing I wanted to let you know was please follow me on TikTok. I'm so happy to be on that app. I'm having a blast. My username is @Mary_Sola_. The same as my Instagram. Having so much fun. Just got 10,000 followers in a week. Super crazy. Anyways, yeah, come hang out. Peace.